The Congress, meanwhile, has upped its attack on the centre and the LDF government in Kerala over the inauguration of the international seaport, with party MP Shashi Tharoor now accusing the official spokespersons of not mentioning even the name of Oommen Chandy. As the port deal with Adani that was signed back in 2015 when the Congress government was in power in Kerala with late Oommen Chandy as its chief minister, here is Shashi Tharoor who is raising an objection that the late leader and the chief minister was not even mentioned by the party leaders. This is the objection and a concern that has now been raised by the Congress MP. Let's get in a word from Arpita right now. Arpita, now Shashi Tharoor is of the opinion that on the day of the official commissioning of the port, recalling the remarkable contributions of the late Kerala Chief Minister Oommen Chandy, who pushed this project, signed the original commissioning and initiated the work whose culmination we celebrate today. Shame that none of the official speakers even mentioned his name, and I, who did not get a chance to speak. So he was on board, he was on the stage with the top leaders there, but he says that he never got a chance to speak and thank his late leader.
Well, rightly said, I'm here outside Shashi Tharoor's residence. We will try to talk to him. But before that, the state government had clearly said that it is from the central government's office, PM's office, that they will assign who are the politicians who are going to speak on the dais. So the state government is saying that the names have come from the centre, and that is why Shashi Tharoor has not got a chance to speak on the dais. But on the other hand, Congress has time and again said that it was under Oommen Chandy's government in 2015. They had laid a foundation stone for Adani, for Vizhinjam Port, and again and again they are trying to claim credit for the project. But on the other hand, LDF is saying that just by laying foundation you cannot claim credit. There are so many other things that needs to be done. So it is the LDF government who has done all the work for the Vizhinjam Port. So there is a credit claim, there is a credit war between LDF and Congress, and BJP, where is trying to say that end of the day it is the Vizhinjam Port is for the people of Kerala, for the people of nation. So there shouldn't be any fight for the claim. But time and again Congress is saying that it is under Oommen Chandy's government that the foundation stone was laid and all other work, paperwork and other commissioning agreement was signed. But that is why Shashi Tharoor has again reiterated that yesterday nobody spoke about Oommen Chandy, nobody gave credit to Oommen Chandy, because of which this main project has started. Yes. But LDF is saying that LDF has done all the work and it is their government.
Well, the credit war that has been taking place and being witnessed, however,